Hi YouTube, it's Miss Buttercup 38. I'm just dropping by because I was curious about how many locks I had. So I sat down last night and I counted all my locks, and I have 160 locks. Yeah, that's a lot. So I was shocked with that little information. I couldn't believe it. I have 160 locks. And they're coming along pretty good. Excuse me if I sound kind of rough. We had some snow. I'm in South Carolina, and we had some snow last weekend for the first time, and Lord knows when. I think it was 89 the last time we had a big snowstorm. We got like 6 inches of snow last weekend. And I was acting a fool out there with the kids. I was making snow angels and snowmen and all kind of crazy stuff. And now I'm kind of stuffy. And I'll post some pictures so you guys can see. We had some snow and we went crazy. We was happy for that little bit of snow. But anyway, yeah. Back to my locks. I have 160 locks, so I was excited, and they're growing. Let me turn around so you guys can see them. I hope you guys saw that. I hope my chair didn't get in the way. Shaggy Locks sent me that email, that tag for Shake Them Locks, but I don't have, my locks are not long enough yet, and I'm so mad because I can't really shake them. Just my little beads can shake. That's it. Salt and pepper. Anyway, okay, back to what I was saying. I forgot. Oh, yeah, Shaggy Locks. My hair is not long enough to really shake yet, so I have to wait till they get a little longer. Anyway, yeah, that's all I had to really say, but I just wanted to drop by because I wanted to let everybody know I had 160 locks. That was kind of interesting for me. Yeah. If I say one more time. I think that's all I had to say. I'm still using all the same products. Jamaican mango and lime. Sprays, oils. I did use Nubian Kinks locking pomade. When I did a retwist, it probably don't look like it, but I did a retwist last weekend, and that's something new that I use, and it's really good because I usually have a lot more frizz than I have right now, a lot more frizz, and it kind of held my frizz together, so it works for me. Yeah, so y'all go get that Nubian Kinks locking pomade. I think that is it. Yes. Okay. So you guys have a good day. Peace.
Move forward. Even if it's wrong, stay forward. Stay forward. I confess, I'm a mess, and I'm trying to catch up to life. The clock keeps ticking away, and I'm losing my